Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your home, yet the next day it goes back to looking cluttered and messy? Today, I've got something special for you. 7 game-changing cleaning habits that will transform your home faster than you can
Say declutter.
So say goodbye to mess-induced stress and hello to a more tidier, organized home with minimal amount of effort. Let's jump right in. A clean home is all about quick, tidy home habits, and these are the ones I use in my home to keep it clean and tidy all the time. Number 1, the swipe and wipe. Surfaces make our homes look messier than they actually are. Picture your kitchen counter right about now. It probably has a ton of stuff on it. Mail, appliances, remnants of that meal you recently made. The secret to a tidy home is a 10-second swipe and wipe. Put things away after use, and then with a quick swipe of a microfiber cloth, you know how much I love my microfibers, clean off the counter. See, what you're doing here is saving yourself a ton of future cleaning time. The longer we allow stuff to pile up on the counter, the longer it will take you to clean. So, swipe and wipe. 10-second habit number 2. Spot and put away. Put things back where they belong. If you're not quite sure where they go, which is probably the reason they're building up on your dining room table, then find them a home. The instant pickup maintains a clean and tidy home. As you are flying through the living room en route to the kitchen, you spot a coffee mug. Instead of flying past it, scoop it up and deliver it to the sink. You were going there anyways. Maybe it's your kids' or your pet's toys, or a jacket, mail, a pair of keys, a nail polish. Get into the habit of instant pickup instead of letting the items pile up. Pile-ups love to happen, especially when we grant them permission to do so. Invest 10 seconds in returning an item where it belongs right away. Which leads me to 10-second habit number 3, and it's put things back where they belong, like right away. This habit is all about prevention. For example, instead of dropping your coat on the couch, chair, or floor, the joys of being a mother, hang it up. Don't have hooks in your entryway, or maybe it's tiny like mine. Head over to your local dollar store and pick up a few. Same for your shoes. Toss them in a bin when you get home or place them on a shoe rack. This will also eliminate the need for spot and put away, which I tend to use more for other members in the house who don't follow protocol, such as Coffee. She never returns her toys back to the toy bin at the end of the day. It's very frustrating. This applies to absolutely everything in your home. Once you use it, instead of aimlessly dropping it and saying, I'll get back to it later, take the additional few seconds to put it back where it belongs. 10-second habit number 4, which has saved me from being drowned under a pile of mail and paperwork. And it's to mail sort right away. You probably know that paper clutter can quickly get out of hand and pile up on random surfaces. Save yourself the headache by saying no to spam mail. The best way to do this is to build the habit of discarding mail ASAP. Once you receive a stack, go through it immediately and discard what you don't need. Then simply place bills and important mail in your designated mail caddy. If you don't have one, you should. I encourage you to create one now, or actually no, finish watching this video, then create a designated mail space. This can take the place of a wall mount or a simple file folder holder. This habit will also save you from being late on your bills because you will know exactly where to go to find them. If you're enjoying my video, don't forget to contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. 10-second habit number 5 is the spot and toss. We live in our home, so it's totally normal to have clutter build back up. There's no such thing as a fully clutter-free home. It just doesn't exist unless you and your family move out. Having clutter in your home doesn't mean you're a messy person. It just means that your home is lived in. With that said, habits do need to exist to eliminate clutter from our homes consistently to prevent an avalanche of stuff. And a great way to do this is the spot and toss daily. You see that bottle of shampoo that has run out. Don't let it sit there. Recycle it right away. You're doing your nails and notice a random color that you will never wear. A friend gifts you something for your birthday that you don't want or need. It's okay to re-gift or donate it. Get into this 10-second habit of getting rid of things, getting rid of clutter, tossing things right away. Another version of this, and this is something I advise all of my clients, is the 1 to 5 items a day declutter. We have random items around our homes that we know we do not need. We probably walk by them every single day, yet we're waiting for like a decluttering session to tackle it. Don't. The book you couldn't get past the first chapter on? Donate it. The broken picture frame? Get rid of it. The magazine from years ago? The point is, right now you have dozens of easy toss items just sitting in your home. Getting rid of 1 to 5 items a day will not take you more than 10 seconds. 10-second decluttering habit number 6 is probably my favorite, and this is like a woman's cheater's guide to decluttering her clothing. And it's the clothing bin. What do I mean by that? Our closets are overrun with clothing, yet we often don't want to or don't have the time to declutter it. Well, you don't have to. Allow this next 10-second habit to do it for you. Simply place a bin in your closet, and every time you go to retrieve a sweater, a dress shirt, if your gut is like, I will never wear this, instead of putting it back in your closet, drop it in the bin. Once your bin is full, guess what? This becomes your decluttering bin, and all it took you was less than 10 seconds. It's brilliant, it's beautiful, and it works so well. 10-second habit number 7 is to tidy up your couch throw pillows and throw blankets if you have them. Messy couch cushions and blankets make our common area look cluttered. Invest a few seconds to fluff those pillows and straighten up the throw blankets, giving your space a much cleaner look. This is something that you can do as part of your evening home reset routine. Everyone loves to wake up in the morning to a clean and tidy home. Remember that it's the small, consistent habits that actually keep your home clean and tidy. Looking to do a deep clean of your home? You can check out this video next where I walk you through how to deep clean your home in just 1 week. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, good luck on your decluttering journey. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to be good to yourself.